Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix the problem. There was a problem loading your video on the application of Rave. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about the application of Rave app, like this here. Then in this page, in the first you will go to permissions. Here you will check if all your permissions are allowed, especially this permission of photos and videos. You will click here. You will click allow limited access or always allow all. Then you will allow the permission of notification. Also here you will allow the permission of location, and as you see here, you will check off if all these permissions are allowed. When you end with permissions, then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, you will click on clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. After that, you will go to this window of Play Store. Here you will click in this sign. You will go to above. You will search about the application of Rave and you will enter. Here in this page, as you see, if you find update in this blue sign, then you will update your app to fix that problem. But if all the steps not working with you, then you should uninstall your app and you will uninstall it again to fix the problem of loading your videos. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.